ameiva hivi, lazima nimfilm. Wallahi bila uoga.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
What music is that I hear? Something to try and make you feel at home.
Hey girl, what's up? Yeah. I just discovered. Yeah. When I said hi girl, I knew I'd fucked up. So guys, this is Avenida Balboa, and I'm trying to go to Casco Viejo for the nightlife. And this is Panama City, so we're gonna see what to expect tonight. But I'm excited because this is my second time to go to this place, and yeah, and I'm having here my Uber driver. I don't know if you really want to be in my camera, but yeah. So yeah guys, this is the journey we're going. Hope everything goes well tonight, and I'm just going with an open mind, you know, to see what's out here, you know. Yeah, ensure you smash that like button, man. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, more videos coming, yeah, from here, Costa Rica and more. So hit that like button as you go. Yeah, say tu pueda jugar, está bien. So this place is called Casco Antiguo or Casco Viejo. Actually, Viejo means old in English, so it just means viejo, like old. Antigua is the same thing. Yeah, so we're heading there. Slow traffic, but it's moving, you know. Hope you can see from that side right there. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah. ¿Dónde es Tántalo?
Aquí.
Oh, ese es Tántalo.
Sí.
Ok.
Vamos a llegar ahí tuya.
Ok.
Y cobrar en efectivo, dice.
Sí. So Panama, Casco Viejo. Wow. Oh, okay. Aquí está bien, ¿sí? This place is called Casco Viejo. Casco Viejo. Viejo means old. It's the old side of Panama, and if you come here, you really see the real nightlife here. Cars always pass here to create a little commotion, but it's because right here there are too many clubs, so they drop people and also pick people up, as you see from this video. Please ensure you give the video a like, man. Support your boy Amaro. 100,000 subscribers is coming soon, and if you're already watching this video, 100,000 subscribers and beyond, then you just smash that like button and support your boy Amaro, man. Right here in Panama, showing you things many people can't really show you. I don't know what's happening right there. So yeah, it's crazy. So I just arrived in Panama City. Not actually Panama City, but Casco Viejo, and I'm right here. I want to be making films for you guys, man. It's a chill night here. Please give the video a like, support your boy Amaro, you know. So let me hit the streets and see what's happening. The taxis are dropping people here, as you see, you know. Kids walking by. So let's see what to do tonight. Casco Viejo. Maybe I should cross this way, then cross. Oh, okay. So today there's a match here, and a match of gay people. To be very honest, I always feel like if you say anything negative, people will say you are xenophobia, and they don't respect maybe the otherwise opinion. So everywhere the flags here will be the same the whole night. So this is the nightlife. See. Maybe I would interview this girl and ask her how is the nightlife here, you know? Yeah. So everybody is here. Wow.
You have everyone? Yeah. Hana, I have some.
No, I'm fine. So that's how you see it. We're coming live from Panama City, and I'm filming a nightlife video. Here's my camera. Sometimes I use big cameras at night, so I risk a lot. That means go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. So, hey, meet this one beautiful lady. ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Me llamo Stephanie.
Yeah, her name is Stephanie. ¿Dónde eres?
Soy venezolana.
She's from Venezuela. ¿Cómo es tu vida nocturna aquí?
Divina, me encanta la vida nocturna y Casco, no la cambio por nada.
Oh, so she says she loves the nightlife here. She can't change anything. Por ejemplo, ¿cuál es tu consejo? Un consejo para nueva gente es venir aquí? What is her advice? Just one.
Bueno, yo les diría bienvenidos. A mí me encanta Panamá, me encanta la vida. Y bueno, aquí conocer muchísimas personas, muchísimas culturas y nacionalidades. A mí me encanta.
So the advice is come here and you're gonna meet new people, new culture and everything. Check her Instagram right here, her Instagram, okay? Bye bye. Yeah, bye. Hey girl, what's up? Yeah. I just discovered.
Yeah.
When I said hi girl, I knew I'd fucked up. Yeah, I think I'll take it. Oh, Tantalo is right here. You see where that light is? Right there? This where?
That's Tantalo. Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
exactly. This is Tantalo.
Okay.
Let me go this way.
Do you have a number?
WhatsApp, not WhatsApp. Hit me on Instagram. Just hit me, I promise. Your name
I
is?
think David. That'd be David.
Yeah, hit me up, I'll answer. Because
Okay.
my WhatsApp is overwhelming, man.
Oh, okay.
Even I don't use it. The only person I use WhatsApp is my mom.
Oh, really?
I swear.
Oh,
the
shit.
rest I can't.
Right.
If I open here my my Instagram, you see messages I receive or Facebook, you can feel pity for me. And sometimes when, let's say you are here in Panama and you text me like, Maro, I'm in Panama, I want to meet you. Then I don't see your message. Then when I do maybe a live stream, then you tell me, oh man, I was in Panama, I texted you, you never replied. So you may think I assumed you, but in real sense, I didn't even see
You
the
never
message.
see it because you have so many messages.
Too many, man, like too many.
What have you done since you've been here?
No, I was just chilling, man. You know,
Chilling?
Colombia nearly killed me.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm telling you, Colombia nearly killed me, so I was just chilling.
I'm gonna go to Colombia next year for sure.
Hey, these guys are really nice.
Have you gone to Colombia?
I think these are the same guys we filmed the other side. You remember?
I think so.
Yeah, when I told you.
They were there. They were in that corner.
Yeah, exactly. I use
Was that a Galaxy?
Yeah, Note.
Which one?
The Note.
Which one? 9?
Yeah, Note 9.
Yeah, I have that one too.
I use this because it's very strong.
Yeah, it's good. It's really good.
Very good. So let me take a taxi, man, go home, chill. Panama videos are dropping from 1st of this month. And I want to go to Costa Rica. So, yeah, man. Let me tell people, hey guys, ensure you subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button, guys. I'm going home. I think it's late. My camera also sekajo, like died. So it's time to go home, okay? So these are the last shots of Panama Nightlife. Yeah.
And all four of us said they're not gonna come back.
So it's a mix of foreigners and
locals.
You really feel like they're not? They're literally right there together in a club. Like,
One thing I love is when foreigners travel, they tend to be more open-minded.
It's true.
You can bang them, you know, like.
Yeah, that's true. Well,
But in
because
their home
you
country-
take them out of their
No
comfort
more-
zone.
exactly.
So, and you put them in a different environment, so that it's just different. It's different.
Yeah. Let me pick up this. And right now in Latin America, to be gay is like fashion. You know?
It's true.
Super fashion.
Very true.
Oh. So this car messed up my shorts, man. This car messed up my short. Hey, ¿cómo estás? Oh man.
Fine.
Hey, say hello to my camera.
Hi.
Hey, excuse me. Taxi guy. So I'm gonna go down that way. That would be the end of my video. So this is Panama nightlife, man.